Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply start a meeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is schedule a meeting, and then just it's alright, or just simply click here start meeting. Okay, and just open BlueJeans applications if you want to. And I'm not in meeting yet, so you can mute the video, you can turn it off or turn it on, it's up to you. I'm going to join the meeting now. And voila, I will just allow access, okay? And right now I am just in a meeting. What can I do? Is just I can share the invite link to others and share it with them. So thank you very much everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, bye bye and have a great day. Goodbye.